How to set up a factory in Penang as a foreigner. Your easy guide. Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ever wondered how foreigners can set up a factory in Penang and cash in on Malaysia's tech boom? After digging into this for my Semiconductor Summit video, I've got the scoop. Whether you're an overseas manufacturer eyeing Penang or just curious about what's driving stock like FRONTKN, this is your 7-step playbook, simple, actionable, and with a Penang twist. Let's roll. Picture this. You are an American boss wanting to build a chip factory in Batu Kawan right next to big players like Land Research. What does it take? Spoiler, it's easier than you think, and Penang's got your back. Here's how. First, set up your company. First up, you need a Malaysian identity, like a business IC. Register a private limited company or Sdn Bhd with the SSM online. You just need one director, which can be you, but one must live here. So just hire a local pal if needed. One shareholder, 100% you, no problem. Some cash to start, say RM1 million if you are serious. A name, your passport, and a Penang address. It's RM1000 to 2000 to kick off, plus maybe RM5000 with an agent. Done probably within a week. Penang's vibe? Super friendly. Invest Penang even holds your hand. Example, imagine you are tech boss Sdn Bhd. In 5 days, you are legally Malaysian, ready to roll. Second, grab a manufacturing license. Next, the big one, a MEDA license. If your factory has got RM2.5 million or 75 workers, you need this from the Malaysian investment folks. Here's the deal. Spend RM140,000 per worker. Think machines, not salaries. Hire 80% of Malaysian, which is easy in Penang with USM grads. Make something valuable, 40% extra worth like chips or AI phone. Show your plan. SSM papers, cash proof, and a Batu Kawan spot. Takes 4 to 8 weeks online. Small fry, right? Skip it with an exemption letter. Penang's MEDA's office. Far. Example, Tech Boss plans a 50-worker chip plant, RM7 million in total. MEDA say yes, and you are in. Third, find your factory spot. Get a home for your factory. Penang's got hot zones like Batu Kawan, modern, near big semiconductors players. Bayan Lepas FIZ, tax breaks if you export. Or look nearby like Kulim High-Tech Park in Kedah, just over the Penang's borders. Or lease at around RM3 to 5 ringgit per square foot. Stamp it with the Lembaga Hasil and you are set. Penang's powers, waters, and road top-notch. Example, Tech Boss leases 10,000 square foot in Kulim High-Tech Park for RM30,000 per month. Same spot as FRONTKN. Perfect for chip making. Fourth, sort out visas. Coming over to run things, you will need a visa, an employment pass via MEDA. Bring RM1 million capital, a job offer from your company, and it's RM2,000 to 5,000 for 2 years. Short visit, grab a professional pass instead. Penang's talent pool so good, you might not need many expats. Example, Tech Force CEOs get an employment pass. Now he's sipping teh tarik in Penang, managing the show. Fifth, local permits. Dots the I's. Once you're set up, grab this, a council license from MBPP or MBSP, which costs around RM500 to 1,000 yearly. Bomber fire safety note around RM200 to 500. DOE green light if you have got waste, which costs around RM1,000 plus. OSHA safety check for workers, which costs around RM500 to 2,000. All it takes about 1 to 3 months, but Penang's councils are quick. Invest Penang's help. Example, Tech Boss factory passes bomba test, fire extinguishers ready, sisters would be proud. 6. Sweet tax breaks. Here's the cherry on top. Tax perks via MEDA. Pioneer status. Skip taxes on 70% of profit for 5 years. Investment allowance, 60% off factory costs. Free industrial zone benefit. Duty-free imports if you export 80%. Apply with your MEDA license. Bayan Lepas make it automatic. Example, Tax boss save RM 500,000 in taxes. More cash for growth or bonus nasi lemak party. 7. Bank it up. Last step, open a Malaysian bank account. It could be Maybank, CMB, you name it. Bring your SSM cert, passport and RM 1000 to start. Bank Negara watches foreign cash, so declare it's for your factory. Penang's got branches everywhere. Example, Tech Boss wires RM 2 million, accounts live, and productions a go. Why Penang rocks? Why Penang? It's a total win-win lah. You've got Intel, Lam Research, a killer pod, and Brady USM grads. Your factories is in the sweet spot. Plus, Penang keep costs low. Electricity is just around 39 cents per kilowatt, which is cheapest for factories, and water is around 1 ringgit 62 cents per cubic meter for industrial use, which is still a steal compared to KL, around 2 ringgit plus. More savings, more profit. Invest meaning is like your besties guiding you. Set up 3 to 6 months, around RM 1.5 to 3 millions, worth every cent. There you go, 7 steps to make Penang your factory playground. Imagine Tech Boss thriving next to FRONTKN, boosting Bursas and properties. Got questions? Drop them below. I will share the forms and contacts next time. Like, subscribe, and let's keep unlocking Malaysia's money moves together.